Hello friends, I am Dr. Pooja Jaiswal and today on World's Mental Health Day, I would like to speak on obesity and mental health. You may be wondering if obesity causes mental health issues or vice versa. Well, it differs from person to person. For some, emotional distress may lead to overeating. Food can serve as a way to cope with stress, which can result in excessive weight. For others, obesity may cause emotional distress. Being overweight can lead to negative feelings about oneself. While encountering judgment from other people, these experiences can lower self esteem. Additionally, obesity is linked to having more physical health problems and pain, which can increase stress. So, in whichever way the stress comes to you, it is a pressure life throws at you. It is on you how strongly you resist that pressure, and that will depend on your diet, gut health, exercise, and sleep. To combat stress, maintain a healthy diet, practice good sleep, exercise for 5 hours a week. Release your stress by talking with a friend or family member. Follow your hobbies like reading book, practice meditation and deep breathing, or spend time with nature. And yes, practice mindful eating. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kishan Agarwal, consultant endodontist in Apollo Clinic Zoo Road. I would like to spot the importance or the significance of dental health and its impact on overall mental health. We all know the vitality of mental health. Being physically and emotionally fit is a key to success in all aspects of life. Oral hygiene plays a very vital role in perception of self-confidence. A bad oral hygiene or a bad odor, or you can have even if a inconfident smile can be a potential source of social insecurity, inducing social fear, leading to depressive state of mind, or which often keeps people away from social interactions. Thus, dealing and solving those dental issues and improving your overall dental health correctly can greatly impact your confidence in social and work situation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samiran Das, consultant endocrinologist and diabetologist practicing in Guwahati, Assam. So mental health has been and is a major issue in our patient, and I deal with diabetic patients mostly, and it has been an issue with my patients in a regular basis. So definitely in our country, it still is considered as a taboo, and patients don't come up with mental health issues often to us. Usually they come to different ailments related to mental health, but when it comes to mental health directly, they usually ignore it. So let I will tell about my subject. So in diabetic patients, actually, because of the diabetics, because of the financial burden out of diabetes and its management, patients have lots of depression, and because of they have lots of comorbidities like heart ailments, kidney ailments, they have anxiety related issues too. So in general, patients are very much in stress, and they usually don't think much about that stress part. However, that is an integral part of their management algorithm. So as a doctor, I usually urge my patients to open up in front of me regarding their mental health. So this aspect has to be taken care about in all patients, not only in diabetes, but in patients in general. So my message to the society is this, that don't treat it as a taboo. If you feel that someone is suffering from any mental health, be it a diabetic patient, be it any other patient, but has some mental issue, to come to the specialist and treat yourself. Thank you.
When did you just wake up and listen to the musical chirping of the birds? The musical chirping again stimulates our brain and heals our mind and soothes it. Nature has so much to offer. हम ही नहीं ले रहे. So friends, it's time you pause. Just sit back and gaze at the sky, the blue beautiful sky, or at the moonlit night, and just see what magic it does to us. Listen to music or sing at least once a day, because each and every musical instrument is associated with different parts of our body, healing them, energizing them. Just sit back and slow down a little in life, and you'll see your mental health is fitter and finer. Let's be in sync with the sun. Let's rise with the sun and set with the sun and rest after the sun sets. For today, I'll leave you with this thought. Just sit back and think what we are missing out in life and how brighter a life can be with the help of nature, with the help of Vedic sciences, and with the help of Vastu. Thank you, and a very healthy mind to you all.
Morning. Since I am from the medical field, I am aware about the mental health. Many antidepressant medicines are being sold, and recently the sale has gone up. But due to the medical health issues which are arising, to say how many are comfortable to come up with these issues. Sadly, a very few comes up. I do hope that this mental health day, people will understand its importance and not treat it as a taboo, like other chronic diseases which need to be addressed by the medical profession, like other diseases. Let's break the chain and lend our hand to those who are suffering from the mental health.
মানসিক স্বাস্থ্য হ'ল আমাৰ জীৱনৰ এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয়। নিৰোগী দেহা এটা থাকিলে আমি সুস্বাস্থ্যৰ অধিকাৰী বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ। এজন শিশু সুস্বাস্থ্যৰ অধিকাৰী হ'বলৈ হ'লে শাৰীৰিক, মানসিক আৰু সামাজিক দিশত সবল হ'ব লাগিব। বাস্তৱ জীৱনত সন্মুখীন হোৱা যিকোনো সমস্যাৰ সমাধান কৰিবলৈ হ'লে শিশুজন মানসিক স্বাস্থ্য সবল হ'ব লাগিব। এখন সুস্থ সমাজতহে এজন শিশুৰ এটি সুস্থ মন গঢ় লৈ উঠে। গতিকে এটি শিশুৰ সৰ্বাংগীন বিকাশৰ বাবে মানসিক স্বাস্থ্যৰ বিকাশ অতি প্ৰয়োজনীয়।
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Mundole and currently I am doing my 1-year compulsory rural posting in Golaghat under National Health Mission. So today's topic is regarding mental health illness. So basically mental health illness is a disorder of your thinking, emotion or behavior. It was a basic definition of mental health illness. Rather than that, mental health illness can causes it may hamper your social activities and family's activities. So if anyone having such a problem in your regular life, then please come up, don't be hesitant, please go to your consultant or psychiatric specialist and treat yourself.